Hello, dear friends. Myself, Sudarshan Patil, and today we are going to learn the last topic of our course, that is interview techniques. And the first point is from this particular topic, that is types of interview. We will learn the types of interview, and when we'll first of all learn what is an interview. As you know, friends, that the interview is one of the most uh, important stage in engineer's life, that after completing of your diploma or degree, you may apply for a job. And for getting a job, of course, you have to crack the interview. Means without facing an interview, you will not get a job. So it has become part and parcel of engineer's life. So today we'll learn what is an interview. Actually, interview is one of the most important process which involves interactions between interview panel and interviewee. It gives an opportunity to the interviewer to have a glimpse of the inner traits and qualities of the interviewee. In a very short span of time, actually, interviewee has to exhibit the attitude, skills, knowledge, soft skills, etc. All which you have studied for about, we can say, in for 21, 22 years, means whatever you have studied throughout your student life. And most specifically, what you have learned in your diploma and degree, that you have to exhibit to your interview panel. So an interview is a conversation between two or more people where questions are asked by the interviewer to elicit facts or statements from the interviewee. Means interviewer means a person who is taking an interview of the candidate. That is interviewer. And who is interviewee? Interviewee is the candidate who is facing an interview. A job interview is a formal meeting in which one or more persons questions, consult, or evaluate another person. Means the job interview is actually, it is a formal meeting. It is a very important meeting. We can say it is a very serious meeting also, where interview panel asks the questions, consult, evaluate, analyze, and they even select and reject the candidates also. So first of all, keep in your mind that be positive when you are facing an interview. Don't think about the selection and the rejection. This is an opportunity to show your knowledge, to tell your your skills, your abilities, right? So this is an interview. Now, why we can say why interview is essential. Actually, interview is essential because, of course, that particular company or representative will not select you without seeing you. Means they want to see you actually. Then they want to interact with you. They want to judge your knowledge. They want to analyze you. So interview is an essential stage in engineer's life. So it is very important thing that you have to prepare for the interview, not only in your what we can say last year or third year. When you take admission in your professional technical institution, at that time, from the day first, start preparation. Set your goals and stick to them. What kind of a company you want, what kind of the post you want, that you have to think prior, then only you can reach to your goal. Of course, all of you want a higher salaried job. For that, you have to, of course, plan what to do, why to do, when to do, and how to do. So answer of these questions is a plan. So from the day first, think about which company, which post do you want in your technical professional career. So now let us see what are the types of interview. First type is a screening interview. Actually, this type of interview is generally conducted by larger companies when there is a large applicant pool and is typically the first phase of selection. Means where there is a number of candidates applied for the post. For that purpose, such a kind of a screening interview is arranged. And it is typically the first phase of a selection. Screening interviews are used to ensure that the candidates meet minimum requirements and are often conducted by a computer or by an interviewer from the human resource department who is skilled at determining whether there is anything that might disqualify you from the position. So this is about this screening interview. Then telephonic interview or a telephone interview. Telephone interviews are often used to screen candidates in order to narrow the pool of applicants who will be invited for in-person interviews, and is good way to minimize travel expenses. Means where there are a number of candidates, and if the company wants to minimize the candidates through some elimination, so at that time they conduct the telephonic interview, and even it is beneficial for the candidates also that they can save the travel expenses. Such kind of interviews can be challenging because you're not able to rely on non-verbal communication or body language because you are not visible to them. Telephonic interview, just you have to answer the questions by your verbal communication. You don't have an opportunity to show your non-verbal communication. So you should prepare for this type of interview just as you would for a regular interview. So if you're not given any warning and are not ready for an interview when called, politely request that the interview call back at another mutual convenient time. Means you can request them for your convenient time when you are absolutely in a peaceful mind, where you can focus on your interview. You can convey the convenient time to the company. This will allow you to refresh your memory on the organization and be better prepared. So this is telephone or telephonic interview, where the interview is conducted through telephone. Then next is one-on-one interview. The most common interview format is the one-on-one, or we can say face-to-face interview. In this interview, only interviewer and the interviewee is present. The interviewer attempts to establish if the candidate is fit or not fit for the position. Means in here you have opportunity to show your non-verbal communication. You have to show proper facial expressions, eye contact, body language, where in this interview you can, through your non-verbal communication and verbal communication, you can put your impact on the interview panel or the interviewer. The interviewer attempts to establish if the candidate is fit or not fit for the position. So here interviewer can decide the whether the candidate can be selected or can be rejected or disqualified. Then next is a panel interview. This is also one of the most important type of interview. A panel interview is conducted by 2 or more interviewers and is designed to reduce individual interviewer bias. It means that when there are many interviewers, automatically what will happen? They will discuss among themselves about the candidate. If there is only one interviewer, what will happen? There may be some bias. There may be some kind of a leaning. So, but in a panel interview, if there may be 4 or 5 members or 3 members, whatever, they will discuss and they will come to the conclusion about the selection or the rejection. It is very common for job interview. A member of the panel may ask you all of the questions, or individual panel member may take turns, right? So when in interview panel, the interviewer asks you the question, while answering, look towards all the interview panel members. Generally, what happens if one interviewer asks you the question, you look towards that particular interviewer and you answer the question. This must be avoided. Next is general group interview, or we can say even information session. This approach is intended to save time and ensure applicants understand the basics of the job and organization by providing large amounts of information. This we can say as an information session, where a large amount of information is shared for saving the time and for ensuring the applicants understand the basics of the job. This process is usually followed by an individual interview. After group interview, of course, there will be the individual interview also. Then last is that sequential or a serial interview. A sequential interview is conducted by 2 or more interviewers separately or in a sequence. The candidate either moves from one location to another or stays in one room, and while different interviewers join them. In this interview, 2 or more interviewers are there. Separately or in a sequence, they conduct the interview. The candidate either moves from one location to another location or stays in one room, and while different interviewers join them. Sequential interviews involve a number of first impression opportunities. So be aware of how you present yourself each time. At the end of the process, the interviewers meet to evaluate each applicant and make their decision. So this particular thing happens into the sequential or a serial interview. So hope you have understood all these types of interview and what is an interview and why interview is an essential. So today we have learned what is an interview, then why interview is an essential, and we have learned screening interview, then telephonic interview, then one-on-one interview, then panel interview, then general group interview or information session, and sequential or serial interview. So these are the types of interview. Hope you have understood it. If you have any doubt, you can raise your doubts. Thank you very much for attending the class. Thank you.